All right, so in N8n, you want to create credentials for Gmail. If you're on the cloud, signing into Google is simply like clicking on a button. But if you're self-hosting, you're gonna have to create a new client ID and a client secret. So how do we do that? First, you want to log into Google Cloud Console. There we go. Then you want to like click this project's drop down and create a new project. Gmail credentials tutorial. Hit on create. If this is your first project, you're all good. But in notifications, you want to like select project. If you didn't do that, you can click this projects drop down and then select the right project there. All right. Okay. Next step is going into yeah, APIs and services. Look for Gmail. Click on Gmail API. Click enable. So Gmail API is now enabled, but it's not ready yet. So what we want to do is click on OAuth consent screen and click on get started. So let's create an app name for this. Gmail Creds tutorial. Your support email is just yours. Click on next. Now you can either do internal or external. If it's just for you, you can do internal and it'll simplify the whole process. If it's like if you'll publish this outside, you're trying to like sell the project, you can do external. If it's external, click next, and then my email again. Click I agree. Click continue. Click rate. Next step would be like to go to audience. If you ticked on internal earlier, there shouldn't be a problem. But right now we want to make a test user because it's external. My account is also gonna be the user right now. So just click on test users and I add my account. Click save, and it's over there. Right. But if you want to change to internal anytime, you can do that here. Next, we want to create a client. Application type is web application. Let's create a name for that. Gmail tutorial. Gmail creds tutorial. There you go. And this is important in authorized redirect URIs. We want to add a URI. Go back to Gmail, to N8n, and then here is the redirect URI. Copy that and paste that there. Oops. There we go. Click create. Okay. So here's our ID. Here's our secret. But we still have to set up the scopes. So click OK. We'll go back to that later. In data access, you click on that. Let's add the scopes in. Okay. Let's add the Gmail API scope, which is auth slash gmail.modify to read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. Take that and then click update. It should appear here in your restricted scopes. Click save. Let's go back to clients. Click on the Gmail creds tutorial. And then you want to copy this client ID into N8n. And the client secret, you copy that too. If you click save, there's a sign in with Google's gonna appear. Click on that. Click on your account. Allow for everything. There you go. Let's name this the Gmail Creds tutorial. Click save. And if you try to like get all the emails, there you go.